The first paragraph is where one of two vessels is to keep out of the way of the other shall keep her course and speed, meaning as long as the giveaway vessel takes on action will in time, there is no problem and the stand-on vessel follows the above rule and the stand-on vessel is required not take action but it does not make that she would not be alert and monitor the situation. The second page, the later vessels may, however, take action to avoid collision by their maneuver as soon as becomes apparent to her the vessel required to keep out of the way is not taking appropriate action in accordance with the rules, meaning the watchkeeper on the stand on the vessel has to be alert and should have been monitoring the situation as it developed his plan of action. Excessive action should be ready at the instant since he would have to take evasive action of the give may vessel fails to take action or if the action is not efficient to clear the impending danger. B. When from any course of vessels required to keep her course and speed finds herself so close that collision cannot be avoided by the action of give away vessel alone, she shall take such action as best aid to avoid collision, meaning the action that the stand-on vessel finally takes to avoid the situation depends on what is the nature of the action of the giveaway vessels. If the action is insufficient to clear the close quarter situation, then the stand-on vessels has to take action which will get the two ships safely away from each other. Next is C. A power-driven vessels which take action in cruising situation in accordance with subparagraph of this rule to avoid collision with another power-driven vessel shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, not alter course to port for the vessels her own port sides, meaning the action that the stand-on vessels take should not develop into the circumstance, rather if should enhance the clear action. However, thus advice is not to alter course port for a giveaway vessel which is on her port side, but it's a recommendation of the situation demands. Please refer to the roads and take a planned decision which the internet from above rule. The last part is this rule does not relieve the giveaway vessel of obligation to keep out of the way, meaning just because the stand-on vessel has been forced to action does not mean that the giveaway vessel has passed the bank to the stand-on vessel. She is obligated as the rules keep it out of the way.